Hello SEO pros. In this tutorial, we shall learn what is BERT. The BERT is basically a recently launched Google algorithm. It affects websites with poorly written content, lack of focus, and lack of context. How it works? This Google algorithm update uses natural language processing technology, also called NLP, to better understand search queries, interrupt text, identify entities and relationships between entities. We have seen Panda, Hummingbird, and RankBrain updates move away from keywords, and the Bird update is culmination of this effort. It allows Google to understand much more nouns in both queries and search results. How to adjust? We have finally lived to see the day when Google is actually rewarding good writing like never before. It is important to strive for meaningful copy. It means you should go easy on fluff words and adopt an expository style of writing. It is also a good idea to do entity research when creating copy, including relevant entities helps create context for your content. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. Have a nice day.